In my zone, trying to pull me up. Steady in my body, getting loaded up. Henny for my body, we done seen the worst. All the time invested, getting reimbursed. The tattoos on the skin could barely tell the tales. I've been following this money on a paper trail. I got some homies doing time that couldn't wait for bail. A couple weeks later, nigga landed back in jail. Street cycles, ops and street rivals. Quick to get niggas caught up in deep spirals. Downhill, all ends up, the ship sinking. Got a little money to spend, I've been thinking maybe we just move to the Cape and start clean. The simple life ain't cut out for me. My heart fiends for the dark themes, thick dark queens and dark jeans. The poverty ain't cut out for me, it starves dreams. I need a bigger palette, I'm too focused when killing rappers. The type of dude to do it for real. They reenact it, I ain't even need a practice. I lay it down and they ad-lib. Pringle on the shirt, ain't no irony that we stack chips. And I'ma continue, I'm going in, niggas knowing that I do it forever. Coming through, acapella off the dome, it don't matter whatever. I'm coming through, do it clever on any time on a Sunday to a Monday. Coming through so fly, I don't need a runway. The flyest nigga that they ever seen, niggas coming through and I do it clean. On any day, niggas know I do it anyway. Whatever y'all say, let the Henny spray for the dead homies that lay beneath the ground when I'm coming through with a new sound. Niggas lucky that I left my USB, cause I was gonna continue for like 3 weeks. Truly, coming off the dome, do it from the spirit when I'm coming through. I hope you catching every lyric. I'm coming through from PTA. Anybody from Pitori, please stand up, cause we gon' do it without any delay. I'm coming through, shining from the spirit. Niggas knowing that I do it with no gimmick. Fucking coming through, fucking critic. Middle fingers up to the sky, coming through. I don't need a reason why, I just do it off the dome. Hella fly, niggas knowing that I do it and I'm that nigga, I'm the guy. Motherfucker, I don't need to say it twice, I do it once, no reply. Ain't nobody finna come and do it like this guy on the stage, laying 6 feet under, coming through. Niggas wonder why I come through and I kill it on a Sunday. Niggas know. I hope y'all niggas gon' fuck with the guy, cause I got music too. But I'm coming through and I'ma do it too. And shit, fuck it, like cool.
I like that. Give it a round of applause, man. That's some nice ass shit. Thank you very much, bro.
Canola, y'all. Canola. Remember the name.
Where? Canola from?
Where you from? Pitori. 012.
Shout out to 012.
Pitori Masanye. All the way to Chobek, my boy.
We got you. Appreciate that, man. Canola out the